guys, I'm Nikki, mother of 6, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time. Hey dolls and gents, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am the one and only Miss NJB. How are you? I am blessed. I cannot complain. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to all my OG Cuddies and welcome back to the new Cuddies. How are you? Okay, so today we have an exciting video. I am just like, this garden, the flowers, the summertime, like I am living for it right now. All right, so this is what we have planned. I am going to, okay. I am going to show you babes everything that I planted. Everything that I have planted is growing. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and plant the pumpkins because the pumpkins take 90 to 120 days to grow, which is 3 to 4 months. So I planted them, it's been 5 days. It's been officially been maybe 5 or 6 days, but I decided to plant them now so they will be ready for the fall season. And the pumpkins, they're coming, they're rising fast. Okay, so I'm excited to show you that. I also planted bell pepper. I believe I told you guys that already. I'm not sure if I've shown you that, but I planted bell peppers and they're growing as well. I planted cilantro yesterday. I planted jalapenos yesterday. So we don't have anything from those yet because it's only been a day. I planted spinach, lettuce, and cucumbers, and everything is growing. It's growing so fast that I'm to the point where I have to get raised beds. I have to go and create my raised beds for the garden because I have to move them now. The pumpkins at the bottom, you can see the root coming through, and I text my mom and I was like, looky, we have pumpkins, we have cilantro, we have bell peppers, we have cucumbers. So we officially have it going on and I am excited. So I just posted a video. If you have not checked that out, I am going to link it here or down below in the description box. It is a video where I am planting my lantana plants in the yard. So we have a tiny garden bed, or a tiny flower bed. I'm sorry, we have a tiny flower bed and a tree used to be there. So I decided to transplant the lantana into the ground and it's beautiful. I originally planted some California poppies there, but I don't think that I did that correct. So you see a little bit, but you don't see a lot, and I'm not sure. I can't remember when I first planted the seeds, and I don't see anything, so I just decided to move the lantana there because they do really well in the heat, and this Texas heat, they will thrive. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't checked that video out, please do so. I have been doing a lot. I am still kind of discouraged about the house, you know, and the restoration and the renovation of the house. So I have not been over there to work. I do not have any videos to put up for you guys. If you have not watched the latest video, my excited yet discouraged video, I am talking more about the house flooding and everything, and we are working in the house, and I am still kind of discouraged. So I haven't been over there. Hubby has been hinting at it and talking about it, and I have just been thriving over here at this house and the garden and the yard, and really putting some TLC into this house because it really needs it. And I just want the place we sleep to feel cozy and warm as well. I did mention that I neglected this house and I kind of let everything just go down while I was working over there all the time, and now that happened, I am just like thriving here. So I think I do need a break from over there, but I don't want to give up on it. But I feel like if I just go and force and mistake keep happening, or like another storm come through or something, it's just gonna be heavy on me and I'm just gonna give up on it. So I am taking kind of a breather from over there, and I am just popping in something fun. I am completely relaxed. I am completely fine. I am completely sane. I'm just taking a breather, a much needed breather, because I was really heavy over there. I have the videos to show for it. When we do go back over to the house, I will record. I'm pretty sure the yard looks like hell because it looked like hell when we went over to view the home after the storm. I just know it looked real crazy, and we'll be back over there really soon. But for now, I hope you babes are enjoying the summer decor videos, the garden videos. I hope you are just enjoying something lighter, right? Anyway, so with that being said, I am going to pop in some clips of me planting. I am going to pop in some clips of the plants growing and everything that I have been doing lately. So I don't know what I want to title this video. Um, Maybe like a garden tour, like a preemie garden tour, because I don't have the beds yet, but I've definitely planted. I don't know what I'm gonna title it, but it's gonna be really cute. It's gonna be really fun, and we're definitely going to be outside. So if you would like to see everything that your girl has planted, continue to watch. Thumbs up, subscribe. This is where you want to be, and let's jump right into gardening. All right, so this one is the California poppies, and she is thriving. Look at her. It stormed really bad last night. I left them on the porch. Oh no, messing up my pants. I left them on the porch, and she got some good rain. She's looking good though. It was just straight, growing straight, and now you see little like flower thingies, I think. I'm not gonna say, is that a bud? Look at the bud here. You see it? But then these little leaves here, they look like little hands. They just came in. It wasn't there at first, I don't believe, when I first showed you guys. But it looks really good. Oh, it's a couple of buds. You have a bud here, and then you have one here. That's 1, 2. I wonder if it's any more. 3, yeah. One over here, 3. Okay, so it's coming through, and I love that for her. She looks really, really good. And I've been keeping them right here on the porch. You can see where I had the pot placed. But I've been keeping them on the porch, and I am getting ready to do a summer porch video where I decorate for the summer. This is what it looked like now. I'm gonna trim the trees down. Let me back up. Okay, I'm gonna trim the trees down, and we're gonna get the yard together. We need to cut and weed eat this tree that used to be here. Finally was removed. I don't even know what happened. We came out one day and it just fell over, child. I don't know. But hubby removed it. So that's gonna be good, because now for fall and Christmas I'll be able to put something there. So I've been having them lined up here on the porch, and they have been getting a lot of light. Yesterday was their first time getting a earth bath, and I think they liked it. So this is the bell pepper. Remember, I think the last time I showed y'all, it was like, I'm not sure if it was a day 10 update. I think it was a day 10 update. Like day 5 and then day 10. But we're like 20 something days in, and this is the bell pepper. She looks so good. It was only 1 at first, now 3. And her little side flowers have came in, and I think it's gorgeous. Look at that. She had a spiritual bath yesterday for the first time, and she really liked it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back. This one is the California poppies. And then I don't remember what these are. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the video, but I put these in something smaller, in like to-go containers we picked up from a restaurant, and she looks good. she's thriving. And then I see more that want to pop out. So this is not day 20 something for them because this was planted after. And then I put more bell pepper seeds in this one because I was nervous that I didn't do it right the first time. And she's thriving. So yeah, I'm super proud. And I just been having them up here. I'm getting ready to do a summer porch video where I deep clean the porch and decorate it for the summer. And I need to change out the pots so they can hang and look beautiful. Super proud. Super proud. Proud plant mama. girls and gents, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have shown you everything that I have planted and the growing process. If I was not keeping a video diary, I will have no idea when I planted it, when it started to grow. So if you are a beginner like me, be sure to take a couple of pictures and record yourself so you can keep track of everything. If you have not watched my previous video where I am creating this flower bed, please check the description box. I will link it down there for you. We have so much more to plant and I cannot wait to show you. But until next time, I will definitely see you babes in the next one. It is always love with yours truly. Bye.